everybody. Welcome to my channel Ranveer's vlog. So today what's the topic? So today's topic is something exciting and you're going to like it. So uh, so this Rubik's cube, what do you think? This Rubik's cube is a thing which is a cube shaped and has different colors. So I want to tell you something. There are colors like white, green, red, orange, blue and yellow. So, have you ever thought that is it possible to solve the cube in 2 to 3 minutes? Yes, it's possible, and I'm going to show you. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to solve the cube in the same method I solved it right now. So, shall we begin? Let me scramble the cube first.
Okay, once you are ready, let me know. Then I can start the timer. Okay.
Okay, I'm ready. So let me see the cube first so that I will be practiced, and then so the cubers always see the cube before they solve. So okay.
Okay. So are you ready?
Okay.
Okay. Let's get started.
Now I'm gonna solve it. So you can see I'm solving very fast the cube, faster than I can. So now only left. I'm going to finish the cube, so I'm alerting the cameraman. Okay, and done.
Okay. Show the cube to all.
The cube was solved, I don't know, chicken idea. It
Yeah.
was solved in 1 minute 40 seconds and 74 milliseconds. So you see, this cube can be solved in so less time. I'm only 10 years old now and I can solve the cube this many fast. And if you're 12 or 13 years old, so you wonder how fast you can solve the cube.
Yes, absolutely.
So in next video, we will learn how to solve the cube very fast in this method I solved. So guys, you can like, share, subscribe and comment me down as you want the topic. I can make it for you. So bye guys.